Kaya wujudhai ibu Dawn Sleeper nolai haulening era ibu Dimasa Baptist Church ni hangkhon Dimasa Baptist Church hosomni church nolai doyapurabo Dimasa Baptist Church tidong Dawn Sleeper abo Dimasa Baptist Church tidong lening kebo bula nolai ni tokrib bikoni church ni masi sawha masi hosom dong bo hosom ni bumula Dimasa Baptist hosom bo Dimasa Baptist hosom ni ibo hangkhon ba office raha compound mission center libo situ era bongphang gede masong era hamsining lengoba hambim chalangha kasain dik klaihi yatu ko ibu era masi no gazam masi dong ibu no gazam ibu Dimasa Baptist hosomni no office hangkhon office gazam raha Dimasa Baptist Hosom Mission Center established 1997 erana oli dong sai abo rabia ba bren bo hamsi sring yakha gazam jakha bani ikela uli yawai yakha bo derjo bren derga bren bo hamya phaika bo butu sa jigau phaika eke tuala jila hajila sheria naidu khomu tskabo kisa lauka bani kabai gizi jakha bani eke tuha yawai yakha mujang eraha oli jaidong ibu ke iraha ning bozom jare running office khamba de doa ulining ibu ar ulining ibu erabo nok mas tongkho erabu ibu nobo desa ladu desa labi glau klaihi eraha ulining buniaona eraha ibu ke yawai lai bukha eke eraha Rebdu the administrative building of Dimasa Baptist Hosom DBH is dedicated to the glory of God by Pastor Nijora Thausen, Executive Secretary on 7 December 2020. Ibu ke 2020 maithiha ibu ke era jaisingba tanghi agasi kicha phunuka chkabo dini bukening ar phunu phinnang bohi nusamba no jangde inkor gede bathroom kejam jangde dong lining jang erago wa kadaing dangba jaisingba lawya kho ibu no ha jaisingba lawya kho eraha no grangin dong ora grangsi de eraha grangsi ibu Dawn Sleeper nolai gezer ha ke jangde gate dong bubo gate bo tangsup laya kho lai jadu serni tauglap de eraha nainang bedehe naji rebdu eraha Dimasa Baptist Hosom Preketa Association 25 years maithai khon majaka silver jubilee memorial stone maithai khonma sobaha maithai ha ibu masi gaiba longthai gaiba dedicated by Reverend R.P. Mori, retired pastor, Lota Baptist Church, Dimapur, on 25 November 2023 Donsripar Minisia ibuke ili songkhuba ode rahawa ar masi bideng dukho buke bunai nangho Dimasa Baptist Hosom Silver Jubilee Memorial Guest House is dedicated for the glory of God on 31st May 2024. This building is donated by Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nephew Rio and family. Koibu noke Nagaland ni Chief Minister Nephew Rio bo ode boni nokor niprang tangriba olichitu ibu Nagaland government niprang tangriya ba odenia Nagaland ni Chief Minister bu jar nokor niprang bu jarni rangjang bu tangriba goibu bisingha goili dong raha bisinga jing lei room no gadai bani uli krip jadi giriko bathroom raha ili room krip jang mabri uli jadu ibu guest house naurai thomani nothau de gorijang de nikhor gede lining songkho ragu songlaidu khulaidu waibo stan dongkho gorijang de raha bu boring bu raha 200 feet biliba jadu stu ike buji ham na uklayaba Wells for Life working in partnership with OMSWS bringing life through water to Dimasa Baptist Hosom Mission Center Donsripar Chomukidima Nagaland 11 November 2024. This project is made possible through the generosity of Munni Narayan. Look to the Lord and His strength. Seek His face always. Psalms 1054. Koirana ulidong ulining iraha ulining ira no givin dong ko ulining sekarang penugrongba no givin ibula irabo ulining repiding tu buke nai solangnang erahabo Dimasa Baptist Hosom Caretaker Quarter is dedicated for the glory of God on 31st May 2024. This building is donated by Union Baptist Church Kohima. Eralago church masi Kohima Union Baptist Church ditong ko oranifrang bo caretaker ibu hangkon Dimasa Baptist Hosom ke naisomane caretaker naiso ginyabane nodang riba baham sining erabo songkho lining era tutan erabo lining tutan gede dong room mabri lidong yang rahabo nasi sining hamkai buglago guest house